So I'm just on my way to work now. It's 20 to 8. I start work at 8 o'clock, so I best get a wriggle on. I just don't want to go out there. It is so cold and wet and windy and dark. Look how dark it is. Oh, right, anyway, I best get going, hadn't I? Shall I show you what I'm wearing? I don't know where to put you to show you. Let's do a quick outfit of the day. Can I put you there? No, that's not gonna work. What if I put you there? Sorry, it's really dark, isn't it? Oh, I don't know where to put you. Anyway, I'm wearing this star kind of high neck long sleeve t-shirt basically that Julie that I work with got me, but I noticed from Primark there's a guy stood right outside my window thinking, what the heck are you doing? And then I got this black dress from a charity shop, which was £4.50. It was originally from New Look, and I wear it all the time. So I think for £4.50 I really got my money's worth, didn't I? I don't want to go outside now because that guy was like, what are you doing? Right, but I've got to, I'm going to be late. Hello, I'm home from work. It's pouring down, as you can probably tell. I don't know, you might not be able to tell, but it's pouring down. It's horrible, it's cold, it's miserable. I am going to go on, I'm out of breath. I'm going to have a cup of coffee, let the birds out, clean their cage, and chill. Well, do a few jobs about the house. Matthew has made himself breakfast this morning, but he's actually, turns out, incapable of making a bowl of Cocoa Pops properly. Feels the need to chuck half the bowl over the breakfast bar for some reason. But there we go. That's 16-year-olds for you. Yeah, right, I'm going to get these birds out. Bird's cage is nice and clean. The cage is open, but for some reason they're choosing not to come out. Hey, come in. Come see me. Come see me. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come and say hello. Oh, thank you. Kiss. Kiss. Thank you. Where's Sparky? What's she doing? That's what I said. Where's Sparky? What's she doing? Oh, you're so beautiful. She's eating, isn't she? She's always eating. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You are so... Oh, so clever. Kisses. That's the Addams family. That's not. That's if you're happy and you know it. I'm not very good at whistling. Robin taught him Addams family, but I'm not very good at it. Peekaboo! You got a lot to say. What you doing? You're clever, aren't you? I know, you're so clever. I've just got the oven on. I'm going to make something for tea. I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet. Sparky's not... Dexter's not finished singing to you. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to have. Just whatever I've got in the freezer. I think it might be chicken burgers and chips, I think. I don't think Matt's coming home for tea. He's gone out with his friend. Things are back to normal. You know, he's had one night in yesterday after his holiday's back out now, so I don't know if he's coming home for tea. I'll have to text him and see. Won't we, Dex? We'll have to text him and see what he's doing. Oop, he's gone. He's gone. Sparky's just... Oh, Dexter. Sparky just wants to stay there. She says, I've got to go to her. She's not coming to me. Is that right, Sparky? Is that right? Oh, clever girl. You're a clever girl, aren't you? I'll try and get her, and look, she just bows her head. She just wants to be stroked. Oh, Dexter has to get in the way, doesn't he? Has to be in the spotlight, don't you? You're a show off, you are. Sparky's the quiet one. You're the show off. Oh. Come in. Come on. No. No, I'm dropping my phone. Okay, well I'm going to sign off for the night now because it's 9:15 and I'm just really tired. I'm just going to go to bed, to be totally honest. I'm just lying here doing nothing, watching YouTube videos. Neska's on the chair and I'm on the floor. I'm a pushover. Yeah, so I'm going to go to bed. So that's it for day 2 of Vlogmas. Don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't have any major plans apart from cutting hair. I think I'm cutting, well, I'm definitely cutting my mum's hair. I think my dad probably wants his hair cutting because he's going in for an operation on Tuesday. So I think he will want his hair cutted. And then also my sister and her family need their hair cutting, but I don't know if I'll do that tomorrow or during the week. I don't know. See how I feel. So it's good night from me, it's good night from her, it's good night from them. See you tomorrow. Bye. Let me show you this though before I go to bed. Bedtime, birds. Come on, bedtime. Bedtime. Good boy, in your beds. Bedtime. Good boy. And Sparky, bedtime. Hey, hey, hey. Good birdies. Night, night. You're the cleverest. Right, I've got to bed. Good night.